So today we're going to go over a few different options that can really spice up your summer drinks menu. Look at ways to improve on some of the more traditional things that you might already have to your menu, and improve on that and give someone something to talk about and get people talking about your cafe again. The first drink that we're going to talk about today is just improving on one of the more traditional ones. You might already have this on your menu. We just want to make sure it's at its best, and that is the iced mocha. So the key to this drink is its presentation. It can be a simple traditional drink, but if it goes out looking really nice, you'll impress whoever's ordered that drink. So the second drink we're going to make today is a cola cold drip, a refreshing drink all year round, but especially in those hot summer months. The last drink we're looking at today, this is sure to impress. Guys, this is our BERRY INFUSED NITRO FLOAT. This is one that will definitely impress anyone that's coming to your cafe. Reading this off the menu is going to sound amazing. Then when they get to experience it and see it, that's what's really going to make a huge difference in your cafe and excite your customers. So to make our version of an iced mocha, you're going to need a tall glass, a spoon, a straw, something to catch your double shot in, also your ice cream, milk, and some chocolate syrup. So we don't use generic chocolate syrup. We melt down our premium chocolate powder and put it in a pump bottle for speed up your service. So let's get into it. All right, so let's put this drink together. First, we're going to need a tall glass. We're going to put our ice in there first because this whole drink is about presentation. Even though it's a simple traditional drink, it really comes down to how it all gets put together to make sure it looks the part at the end. So I put my ice in first to stack it up. We want to get it high. We want that ice cream sticking out the top. So nice, creamy, sticky, melted ice cream, standard. We're in a high service cafe here. The ice cream's been left out by the rookie, but that's fine. It's a messy drink. Let's roll with it. All right, so that's in there. I'm going to jazz it up a little bit. This is where our chocolate comes in. It's not about just dumping it in. We want to make sure we use it to our advantage, get that presentation in there, make it slide down the sides. Now, I'll shove that spoon back in there now because we don't want to kind of agitate the drink later. We want to be able to watch it settle. Shove them back in there. I'm going to fill this guy up and watch that rise to the top. We want that to be pretty impressive there. And let's go with, we've got a double shot here, and oh yeah, spill a little bit. That's the best bit. Oh yeah. That you can pour before you run it out. You can pour that at the table and really impress them. And be sure to clean up after yourself. You got a delicious drink. Someone's going to really enjoy that. So for our cola cold drip, we're going to need a glass with a saucer and a spoon. We're going to need our ice tray, some mint. We'll need our cola and your choice of cold drip brewing method. So this drink needs some preparation. It takes overnight to prepare. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to make our cold drip ice cubes. So in doing that, brew your cold drip like you normally would. We've got other videos on how to do that. Go to the links below. But let's start with our cold brew. We're going to grab that mint that we had, and we'll get our tray as well. So we're going to chuck a couple of leaves in our tray. Then we will grab our cold brewer. I'm going to fill that tray up. So chuck that in the freezer overnight. They will be ready for you tomorrow. While you're at it, crack your cola, degas it, it'll be ready to go tomorrow. All right, we're back. It's the next day, so we've had time to freeze off our ice cubes. We've degassed our cola, and yesterday we got a bit carried away doing other things. So this morning we came in and we brewed our cold drip. So we've got a video on how to do that in our channel. Check that out. We'll put the link in. So one key component that makes this drink so special is that we've switched out the water for our degassed cola. So let's get into it and build this drink. So let's just start. We've got our pre-prepared ice cubes already in the freezer. We're going to chuck a couple of them in a glass. This is a really quick, simple drink for you to make while you're in service. Open the freezer, chuck your cubes straight in. This is already pre-prepared, cooled and sitting in the fridge. Pour that straight over the top. And we're going to finish that off with a nice little garnish sprig of mint there. Taste the drink. Oh damn, that's good. That's a delicious drink. And this is our cola cold drip coffee. Alright guys, so this drink takes a bit more preparation, so I've brought in the big guns. I've got Joel here with me who's going to talk through how to get this drink set up.
So there's actually a fair bit of prep in this drink. The nice thing is that once the prep's all done, you can basically have the product that you're looking for on tap and easy to serve to the customer. So if we rewind like 36 hours or something like that, I'll take you through the steps that we took to get to this. We've got a toddy brewer, so we're brewing our cold brew as per our secret recipe. Definitely overnight. It's a nice, long, strong, heavy cold brew. The twist that we've added to that is obviously our berry tea. We played with a few different methods, but we actually found that hot brewing this tea extracted the flavors that we wanted out of it. So what we're doing in this case is hot brewing that tea, removing all the berries out of it and chilling that. Then once the cold brew is finished in our toddy, we're removing the coffee and adding that chilled tea back into it, then mixing it at that point. Then we're taking that mixture and we're putting it into our nitro system. In this case, it's a badass barrel, and we're infusing the cold brew and that chilled tea in nitrogen to then get it on tap from there. So a little bit of preparation, but again, that's preparation that can be done in your own time rather than when that customer's standing there asking for the drink. So that's how we get prepped for this drink.
Thanks, Joel. Let's build this drink. So we can go straight out of our nitro system. We'll fill up our cup, our glass, sit that there. We get a nice scoop of ice cream. And we can let that infuse. Presentation wise, this is one that you can settle over time. So if you deliver this to the table, it'll settle in front of them, and let them know to keep an eye on it. Watch it settle and do its thing. So that is our berry infused nitro float.
Oh yeah. That's actually really nice, isn't it?
It is really good. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, that's like next level.
So I hope you got heaps out of that, guys. You can really step up your game now with your cold drinks menu, and we'll catch you again next time.